Stuck trying to update your phone number on LegalZoom and can't find where? Get it done in under 2 minutes with this exact path. I'll walk you through the exact clicks from the home page to saving your new number. No extra steps, just the direct route. Start by navigating to the LegalZoom homepage in your browser. Then, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Account Settings to access your account details. Now, on the Account Settings page, locate the Phone section. Once you've found it, click the Edit button to begin. Click on the drop-down menu to choose your state. Select your state from the list that appears. Then, enter your phone number in the provided field. Finally, click Save on the lower right corner to apply the change. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.